This short video explains how this stain occurred on the masonry wall, plus it explains how to prevent it from occurring in the future. On the second concrete block from the top, there's a concrete beam across the entire length of the wall. Two number 4 reinforcement bars are inserted in the concrete, which are also tied into reinforcement verticals that space it every 3 feet, not shown. On top of the beam, there's a block and a cap rock placed on top. When it rains, any gaps in the mortar will allow the water to run into the block, flowing down until it reaches the concrete beam, which is watertight. The water will accumulate in the block until it finds an opening, such as a poor mortar joint, as you can see in the missing mortar, which caused the stain. This situation will be corrected in phase 2 when we use synthetic stucco to seal the entire wall.